Monty Python's favorite sketches. The next episode. We've had yesterday one Terry Gilliam. That was bizarre to say the least, but let's say goodbye to that. Now we're talking Terry Jones. Terry Jones last died, was it a couple of years ago? Was it last year? And he was an amazing man. Of course, as one of the Monty Pythons, he was a member of one of the best comedy teams. In fact, the best, what am I saying? The best comedy team ever. Making some of the best work. Monty Python's Life Line is one of the top 5, top 10 comedies, best comedies. Yeah, on his own, he did quite remarkable work. I remember being elated, euphoric when seeing his series on history, but history with humor. On Zero, on the Romans, on the Middle Ages, the monk. Am I wrong in saying one episode? We put episodes. Fabulous sense of humor. Super intelligent. Now they make movies with superheroes. Well, there's a superhero for you. Alas, the material surrounding the episode presented was not too well thought. I think with John Cleese it was awkward, to be polite. And again here, maybe there's an improvement. It wasn't as lamentable as the other two, but still strange. So let's mention a few. He has the hide and seek contest as my favorite in this one. Two fellows hiding and then seeking each other. And that's for 11 months. I'm just making this up, but that's the size of it, pretty much. 11 years, 2 months, 3 days, and because as one is hiding, as one is doing, counting. When I'm with a backup, it's hide and seek now on start. They go and there's a dog there. They go to attack the dog. Not really, but try and get at his nails and whatever. So while he's one to the other one takes a taxi, the airplane, and then he's in Sardinia. Well, our fellow looks through garbage, but then he finds a sardine can and knows, okay, he finds the clue. So absurd, quite often absurd humor, as in the cheese shop, which is not mentioned here, but comes to mind now. Do you have gorgonzola? Do you have cheddar? Do you have mozzarella? He doesn't have anything. It's a cheese shop, it doesn't have anything. And all of them are mentioned. Hitler's dog. My dog doesn't have a nose. How does he smell? Awful. What was it? Always look on the bright side of life. That's mentioned. This, of course, it's pilot sketch with a dead fellow like this. Let's stiff and show you. Oh, what a happy moment that would be. When they kick each other with a fish. That's my Palin and John Cleese. Palin has some small fish, and then John Cleese takes huge one, woof, and throws Palin into the water. Or a double line, a stuntman, I don't know. Simply nice switches. One of my favorite is when they have when John Cleese as this guest. Yes, I know. I think I know what I've written there. It's so ugly writing it. I myself can't write. Can't read it. But Eddie Baby, maybe I'll leave that for the next episode. In here, no, it wasn't here, but it's one of the ones I remember online. There's Chapman, I think. There's Chapman, maybe there's Terry Jones in this one, and Idol, maybe, and John Cleese is the father. So he wants to see this TV program in the days when having a set was something expensive. Anyway, you didn't have one in the kitchen, so that one member of family could see all. Never mind the tablet, phone, and so on. So it was a question of who gets to see. So the son and his daughter-in-law, Palin and Chapman, maybe, are watching something they like, series. But there are 2 or 3 channels, and please, the father wants to see something else. Oh, but what about? Oh, please, we're watching this. So he starts how to irritate people. That's in that the whole set with a garage, I guess. With a whole set. Reading the paper, but making the noise so that they don't hear anything. Then he's walking in front of the television until he gets them to go so that he can watch his own show.